open your legs, and we're gonna do a back slap with the left with a butt slap with the right, and back to buzzsaw. 5, 6, 7, and taps and buzzsaw. 6, 7, and taps and buzzsaw. 6, 7, and taps and buzzsaw. 6, 7, 8. This will be the last time we tap. The right one comes out an underhand, the left one is an overhand. Release the left point, turn to the left, release the right point, come into overhand butterfly on the front plane. And then we're going to turn to the left, and we'll go into the 4-petal in spin. Left goes back, right goes front, and sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top. Get ready and do a reversal here, and 4, and 3, and 2, and last one, and then reverse at the bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom. Last time, sides, top, sides, bottom, and reversal again. 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Bring both poi down. Your left poi should be an underhand. Your right poi should be an overhand. You're gonna flip your left poi to the front, come into overhand butterfly. Do a butterfly turn 360 to the right. So right out, left in, right out, left in. Then one more time, right comes out. Now you're facing your east wall. Let's do the 4-petal in spin. Left goes back, right goes front, and sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, and sides, top, sides, bottom. Last time, sides, top, sides, bottom. Reversal, anti-spin for 4, and 3, and 2, and last one, and then reverse again, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, sides, top, sides, bottom, and last one, sides, top, sides, and reversal for 4, and 3, and 2, and last one. Bring it down, flip your right point into the front, thread the needle again, and then take out right, take out left, bring it up to the right, bring it up to the left, go under the right leg, go under the left leg, and angel twice. And we're going to repeat that whole sequence. Right out, right up, left up, under the right leg, under the left leg, and angel twice, and back to butterfly. Take out right, take out left, go up right, go up left, under the right leg, under the left leg, and angel twice. And last set, take out right, take out left, bring it up right, bring it up left, under the right leg, under the left leg, angel twice, and bring it down, stall out, come into underhand opposite hip reel, and then we're going to take the right poi, tap it on the right foot, turn left, go into overhand weave on the left side, right turn 360, left turn 360, right turn 360, left turn 360, and come back to this side of the room, the west side of the room, open it up, put your left foot forward, sweep back, step your left foot forward, sweep over away from me, step your left foot forward, sweep back, step your left foot forward, sweep over away from me again, step your left foot forward, sweep back, step your left foot forward, sweep over again away from me. Last time, sweep back and sweep over and step. And now we're going to go the other way, switch your feet, right foot's forward. You're going to turn away from me first, so you're going to turn left. These are 2 left turns. Here we go. So sweep back, turn left, step your right foot forward, sweep over. Step your right foot forward, sweep back away from me. Step your right foot forward, sweep over. Step your right foot forward, sweep back away from me. Step your right foot forward, sweep over. Last time, step your right foot forward, sweep back away from me, step, sweep over, and now go into counterclockwise chasing the sun, and we'll go 4, and 3, and 2, and under the right leg with the repertoire, and drop stall on the left to change direction, and 4, and 3, and 2, and get ready, here we go, under the left leg with the left poi, and drop stall, now cut it in half, 2, and under the right leg, drop stall, change direction, and 2, and under the left leg with the left poi, drop stall, change direction, and around, oops, come under the leg, and drop stall, and to the right, up and over, around, and under the leg. And now we're going to take out the extra one so it's under the leg every time. So come up and under the leg. Drop stall, change direction, up, under the leg, and drop stall, change direction, up, under the leg, drop stall, change direction, up, under the leg, drop stall, change direction. And repeat, under the right leg, stall, and under the left leg, and stall, under the right leg, and stall, and under the left leg, and stall, and go into a clockwise corkscrew, turn to the right, and come into the horizontal sprinkler in clockwise 4, 3, 2, 1, and now turn to the right, 360 and in spin, and 4, 3, 2, 1, repeat, turning to the right, and that's the timer.